1. 2001 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab. Price: $3,500. Located in Oakland, California. The 2001 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab is offered for sale at a price of $3,500 and is located in Oakland, California. This full-size pickup has approximately 170,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a red exterior with a beige interior, the truck has had only one owner and comes with a clean, paid-off title. According to the seller, it runs and drives well, making it a dependable choice for daily transportation or work-related tasks. The vehicle is being sold as is and is described as a reliable truck that continues to perform well despite its mileage. Its spacious Super Crew Cab provides comfortable seating for passengers while offering the practicality expected from a Ford F-150. With a solid ownership history, dependable mechanical performance, and an affordable asking price, this 2001 Ford F-150 represents an excellent opportunity for buyers searching for a reliable pickup that is ready to handle everyday driving, work duties, or weekend hauling with confidence. 2. 2000 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab Harley-Davidson. Price: $7,500. Located in Stockton, California. The 2000 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab Harley-Davidson Edition is available for sale at a price of $7,500 and is located in Stockton, California. This special edition pickup has approximately 205,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a black exterior with a matching black interior, the truck has had two owners and is fully paid off. According to the seller, it has recently received a brand new transmission and new brakes, while the air conditioning works properly and all other systems function as expected. The truck is described as running smoothly with no known mechanical issues, making it a dependable option for buyers seeking a unique performance-inspired pickup. The seller requests inquiries only from serious buyers. Combining exclusive Harley-Davidson styling, recent mechanical upgrades, reliable performance, and a strong maintenance history, this 2000 Ford F-150 offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a distinctive full-size truck with collectible appeal and everyday usability. 3. 2013 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab FX4 Pickup Ford D5.5 FT. Price: $7,900. Located in San Jose, California. The 2013 Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab FX4 Pickup is offered for sale at a price of $7,900 and is located in San Jose, California. This capable full-size pickup has approximately 130,574 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a white exterior with a gray interior, the truck has earned a 4 out of 5 overall NHTSA safety rating. According to the listing, this FX4 model is being offered by the owner and presents an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking a dependable truck with proven capability. The spacious Super Crew Cab provides generous passenger room, while the FX4 package is well known for its versatility and rugged performance. With its practical design, comfortable interior, and solid reputation for durability, this Ford F-150 is suitable for daily driving, work responsibilities, or weekend adventures. Its competitive asking price, dependable drivetrain, and strong safety rating make this 2013 Ford F-150 an attractive choice for buyers seeking lasting value and reliable performance. 4. 2005 Ford F-150 XLT Triton. Price: $8,000. Located in Vallejo, California. The 2005 Ford F-150 XLT Triton is offered for sale at a price of $8,000 and is located in Vallejo, California. This full-size pickup has approximately 148,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a silver exterior, the truck has had 2 owners and comes with a clean title. According to the seller, the vehicle is in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving or work-related tasks. The tires still have plenty of tread remaining, adding extra value for the next owner. The seller explains that the truck has been well maintained and is only being sold because a new family SUV was purchased and a company vehicle is now available for work. As a result, this truck is no longer needed. Combining a clean appearance, reliable performance, and a solid maintenance history, this 2005 Ford F-150 XLT Triton offers an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking a dependable and well-cared-for pickup truck. 5. 2002 Ford F-150 Regular Cab FX2 Pickup 6.5 FT. Price: $6,500. Located in Carmichael, California. The 2002 Ford F-150 Regular Cab FX2 Pickup is available for sale at a price of $6,500 and is located in Carmichael, California. This dependable pickup has approximately 152,250 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It comes with a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or major mechanical problems. According to the seller, most of the miles were accumulated during freeway driving, and the truck has received regular oil changes throughout ownership. The thermostat has also been replaced, reflecting routine maintenance. An additional tailgate is included with the sale and can be painted to match the truck if desired. The vehicle is described as clean, reliable, and ready for its next owner. Its practical regular cab design makes it suitable for work, transportation, or everyday use. With a strong maintenance history, clean ownership documentation, and an affordable asking price, this 2002 Ford F-150 offers dependable performance and excellent value for pickup truck buyers. 6. 2016 Dodge Charger Sedan 4D. Price: $8,000. Located in San Jose, California. The 2016 Dodge Charger Sedan 4D is offered for sale at a price of $8,000 and is located in San Jose, California. This stylish sedan has approximately 179,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a well-maintained V6 engine. Finished in a white exterior with a black interior, the vehicle has received numerous upgrades, including custom Starlight lighting and an upgraded sound system. According to the seller, the car has always been properly maintained, has passed its smog inspection, and the registration remains valid until next year. The body has been converted to an SRT-style appearance, with only the hood remaining to complete the exterior transformation. The seller also confirms there are no oil leaks or coolant leaks and welcomes buyers to bring a mechanic for inspection. With its sporty appearance, recent maintenance, upgraded features, and reliable performance, this 2016 Dodge Charger offers an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking a stylish sedan with modern comfort and impressive road presence. 7. 2009 Dodge Charger SXT 100th Anniversary Edition Sedan 4D. Price: $2,400. Located in San Leandro, California. The 2009 Dodge Charger SXT 100th Anniversary Edition Sedan 4D is offered for sale at a price of $2,400 and is located in San Leandro, California. This full-size sedan has approximately 185,065 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a gray exterior with a black interior, The vehicle is fully paid off and comes with a clean title. According to the seller, the Charger runs and drives smoothly, features cold air conditioning, and has a clean interior. The dashboard displays no warning lights, giving buyers added confidence in its condition. Registration is valid through November 2026, and the vehicle is prepared for its next smog inspection. With its comfortable cabin, dependable performance, and affordable asking price, this Dodge Charger provides an excellent value for buyers seeking a practical daily driver. Combining a clean ownership history, smooth driving experience, and well-maintained condition, this 2009 Charger is ready for its next owner to enjoy with confidence and reliability. 8. 2016 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D. Price: $8,500. Located in Roseville, California. The 2016 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D is available for sale at a price of $8,500 and is located in Roseville, California. This sporty sedan features an automatic transmission and is powered by a replacement engine with approximately 88,000 miles, while the vehicle body has accumulated about 155,000 miles. Finished in a white exterior with a black interior, the car has had 2 owners and has been carefully maintained. According to the seller, it carries a salvage title resulting from minor passenger side door damage that has been professionally repaired. The vehicle now runs and drives exceptionally well with no known mechanical issues. Its clean appearance, dependable performance, and strong maintenance history make it an appealing option for buyers seeking an affordable modern sedan. With a comfortable interior, attractive styling, and a replacement engine with lower mileage, this 2016 Dodge Charger SXT offers impressive value, reliability, and everyday driving enjoyment for its next owner. 9. 2007 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D. Price: $1,500. Located in Sacramento, California. The 2007 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D is offered for sale at a price of $1,500 and is located in Sacramento, California. This sedan has approximately 169,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It comes with a clean title and is described by the seller as having a healthy engine and transmission with no fluid leaks. The interior and exterior are reported to be clean, making the vehicle a promising project or affordable repair opportunity. The seller explains that the Charger occasionally enters limp mode. After the engine is turned off for several minutes, the vehicle drives normally for a short period before the condition returns. All ownership paperwork is available, providing a straightforward transaction for the next buyer. With its low asking price, solid drivetrain, and repair potential, this 2007 Dodge Charger SXT offers an attractive opportunity for mechanics, hobbyists, or buyers looking for an inexpensive project with rewarding long-term value. 10. 2012 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D. Price: $3,200. Located in Patterson, California. The 2012 Dodge Charger SXT Sedan 4D is offered for sale at a price of $3,200 and is located in Patterson, California. This full-size sedan has approximately 202,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a black exterior with a blue interior, the vehicle has had only 1 owner and comes with a clean, paid-off title. According to the seller, the Charger runs and drives well while remaining a dependable choice for everyday transportation. It is equipped with comfortable leather seats, a working air conditioning system, and a factory CD player for added convenience. The vehicle is also reported to have no significant damage or major mechanical problems, making it an attractive option for buyers searching for an affordable and reliable sedan. Combining a clean ownership history, practical features, and a competitive asking price, this 2012 Dodge Charger SXT delivers excellent value for commuters, families, or anyone seeking a spacious sedan with dependable performance and everyday comfort. 11. 2016 Dodge Charger R/T Max Sedan 4D. Price: $8,900. Located in Richmond, California. The 2016 Dodge Charger R/T Max Sedan 4D is available for sale at a price of $8,900 and is located in Richmond, California. This performance-oriented sedan has approximately 182,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 5.7-liter Hemi V8 gasoline engine. Finished in a gray exterior with a black interior, the vehicle has had only one owner and comes with a clean, paid-off title. According to the seller, this special edition Charger was designed by Dodge Brothers in Detroit and remains in excellent overall condition. The exterior is free from dents and scratches, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance. The vehicle is described as running smoothly while offering the strong performance and unmistakable sound expected from a Hemi-powered Charger. With its sporty styling, powerful drivetrain, clean ownership history, and attractive asking price, this 2016 Dodge Charger R/T Max represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a modern American performance sedan that combines comfort, reliability, and exciting driving dynamics.